How to go ahead and upload your Photoshop document onto the Google Classroom and the correct procedure for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Photoshop, and I already have my image partially cut out. You're going to be able to find some different ways to do that if you look on the internet and search for removing the background on Google. What I used is I used the magic wand tool and the background eraser tool, and mine's not perfect yet. I need to work on it a little bit more, but I want to show you guys how to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a new document in Photoshop. And this document, I'm going to want 1280 pixels wide by 720 high because I'm going to upload the 720p file. So I've got it. And now I have that, but I need a black background. So I'm going to go ahead and paint a black background in. And I'm just going to use the paintbrush tool. It's real easy. I'm going to make it huge. And I'm just going to paint this in quick. So now I have a black background. And what I need is I need the layer that I cut out on my black background. So I'm going to select it. And I'm going to drag it over to my black background. I'm going to let it go. And there we go. And you can see I've got some white. I got some things I need to clean up. If I spend a little more time with it, I can do it really well. But for the sake of time, I'm going to do it quick here. So what I got to do is I want to resize this. I mean, that looks okay, but it needs to take up this whole area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Edit, Free Transform, and what that does is it lets me free transform any layer I've selected. So now I'm going to be able to resize this layer. And of course I could make it centered. There's selections to make it centered, but I'm going to make it pretty good right there. I can see those purple arrows. I'm going to hit enter. And now I'm going to save this image, File, Save As. And of course what we would do is we would make sure that we save onto the hard drive. So you'd go to your hard drive and you'd select that hard drive. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it on the desktop right now. I don't want you to do that. But I'm going to save it on the desktop, and I'm going to save it as a JPEG. And I'm going to name this Notestein 720p. I'm going to click Save. And OK. And now on the desktop, I have my 720p image file. Let's go ahead and upload it into Google Classroom. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. So more Google Classroom. I'm going to find the assignment that I need to upload to. There's my Intro to Com. And here's the assignment, the Photoshop Resize background assignment. I'm just going to click on it. And then it says here Mark is done. If I click Mark is done, it says you didn't attach any work yet. So you can mark as done for the assignments that you don't need to attach any work, but I need to attach some work for this. So I'm going to click Add. And then I have all these options to add. I want to add it through Google Drive. I'm going to go to Classroom, Intro to Com. This is where I'm going to keep my stuff. And I've got it already up in here. But what I would do if I didn't have it in there is I'd click Add. And it would upload it. And there I have my Notestein 720p. Now I'd have to do that 2 more times. I'd have to do it for my 1080 and my 4K file as well. And once I've got all of them, then I'm going to click Turn In. And it says turn in your work, and I do want to turn it in so I can let Mr. Notestein know that it's completed. And it says your assignment has been turned in, and it's that simple. So that's how you attach an image or upload another, attach it through Google Drive, and submit it for Google Classroom. And only if you do that through Google Classroom will I be able to see it.